So, welcome to the next episode of Starlight with Payal Verma, co powered by Amber, a charitable trust and a non-profit organization. So, we are here once again with a fresh episode of a new story, new inspiration, which will throw some light on what would I say? We can call it flowers. You might be thinking, what about flowers? So we have a very special guest on board today, and she's coming all the way from Mumbai to be a part of our Starlight this episode. And let me introduce to you Madhulika ji, Madhulika Arora. So Madhulika ji, welcome to this episode, which is specially designed for you. And I hope आपको अच्छा लग रहा है हमारे साथ होके.
Hello, and thank you so much, Payal, for giving me this opportunity. And it is a pleasant surprise for me, but I'm really happy that I'm here today with you, speaking about something that is really close to my heart.
Yes, so we'll be coming to that. So let me first introduce you. You're a
Sure.
very humble person. Let me finally introduce you to our fans, our followers.
Yeah.
So to everybody who's watching this podcast, Madhulika Arora uh, she is from Mumbai and she creates elegant gifting solutions and floral arrangements made with love and emotion. And she customized gifts to beautiful flower arrangements for special occasions and brings happiness and warmth into our lives. Today we'll talk about her journey, her inspiration, as what brought her into this world of flowers, and she has her own business experience, business module, which she'll explain to us, and how she creates gifts for people who connect with her. Now, I must tell you, she is just not a name, but she has been awarded with the Floral Designer of the Year 2026 by uh,
The organization
by
Women
WW.
Entrepreneurs
She's
Conclave.
a woman entrepreneur. You can tell us the name of the
Yeah,
organization.
WW, Women Entrepreneurs Conclave. Tali Chatterjee, who happens to be also from Calcutta, but now
Okay.
she's in Mumbai.
So that's great, and that I think you got for this year,
Just on the 1st of
2026,
May.
1st of May. So with that, we begin our podcast. So coming back to you, Madhulika ji, आपको क्या inspiration मिली? How did you actually come about with this idea कि floral, decoration हम बोले या art of creating magic from flowers? This is something very different. You are the first one to be on our show जिनका ये forte है. तो ये कैसे कैसे आया आपको?
So actually, I think I was born with the love for flowers, because as a child, the only drawing that I would do was flowers. So yeah, anywhere I'm sitting scribbling, it would be just flowers. So chotepan se everybody knew that she is very fond of flowers.
Okay.
And then in school, in school I came across in the library a book by the name of Ikebana, Japanese Art of Flower Arrangement. Because the word flower was there, I picked up that book, and today I have really become a floral artist. I would take that book home and just keep drawing, because that time I only knew drawing.
Okay.
And after a few years, I realized that I can start copying them, start seeing them and making the arrangements.
Wow.
So I started making the arrangements. So I feel very nice now to know that at the age of 14, I knew what is Kenzin,
Okay.
pin holder in which we make our flower arrangements.
All right.
But at the age of 60, I joined Ikebana from our teacher Taruna Agarwal in Bombay.
Oh my
And
God, what a journey.
I think today what I am is because of her, because formal training I got that time only, at
Okay.
the age of 60.
My
But
God.
it was something which was there all through my life.
Since a very young age. So you've already revealed your age to our viewers.
I know.
So, but
see,
you
there is
look
a time when you like to hide, but I feel proud to say.
Yes, and I feel proud to say viewers को ये जान के तो बहुत ही खुशी होगी. So you see, friends, age is just
Yes.
a number. It is nothing to do with कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, age barrier है, no. So she just mentioned, Madhurika ji says that she's 60. At the age of 60, she officially
Now more than 60.
she learnt the art from her teacher, and now she's the thorough professional. So I would give you an applaud for that, Madhulika ji. I'm so proud of
And
you.
for this, I'm really thankful to my family, to my children, my daughter, son, husband, who encouraged me that, Mom, now you should live with the, like, doing something which is of your choice. You're so fond of flowers, now you must do that. So then I went to this teacher. I did four levels.
Okay, so
But
there are
then,
levels to this.
yeah, oh, it's continues.
So if you can
10th,
just
12th.
explain to the viewers कि कैसे किया जा सकता है ये, so उन्हें एक आइडिया हो जाएगा.
See, you have to take formal training from
अच्छा,
a teacher.
आप
This is
काइंडली
not
शेयर
something.
करिए कि कैसे किया जा सकता है और ट्रेनिंग के कितने स्टेजेस होते हैं.
See, it depends which
थोड़ी
city you
clarity
are.
मिल जाएगी
Like,
for
if
the
I'm
people.
from Mumbai, so I was very happy that I would just go and attend the workshops when
Okay.
they used to have demonstrations and workshops by these teachers.
Okay.
But highly, they have, my teacher Taruna Agarwal has got all the prize. Each step she has won the best prize from Japan. She goes to Japan very often to get all her
awards
and all.
She keeps upgrading herself also, I'm
Yeah,
sure, because
yeah, of
creativity
course.
has no limit.
She is, if you hear, I think she started at the age of 16 or 17.
Wow.
And yeah. So anyway, so I joined her and I was really loving the class, and she's a wonderful teacher. But then I couldn't continue because I started getting other people who were offering me good work to work as a professional gifter for the company, corporates and all. So I had to leave the class. But till today, I am joined with that Ikebana group.
Okay.
And I do a lot of the, whatever we have once or twice a year, we have the spring edit or whatever Diwali festival where we go and do the demonstration, do a workshop. So I participated. I'm part of the group, but I'm
Okay.
not doing a student anymore.
You're not a student.
Yeah,
of course you're
I was
not.
feeling very bad that I had to leave that organization. But the thing
No,
is,
but growth, I feel personally that with growth, you need to move on. Sometimes,
so, yeah, I
कुछ
was
चीजें
very,
पीछे
very
रह जाती हैं.
sad to leave. But then I think today where I am, it's all because Ikebana is such an art that it teaches you, it helps you to make different type of arrangements with minimal flowers. I mean, we don't use ये जो आप बड़े-बड़े bouquets देखते हो ना, they are just made. Anybody can make it.
Okay.
But the real art is when you make with less flowers and give a very good style.
Okay.
So I am very lucky that with this, because of Ikebana, I am little different. My work is little different because I use style. I use like innovations. I use different type of, less flowers may I give. Some people say, "इतना कम flowers देते हो आप?" I said, I can't work it. 50 flowers एक साथ डाला और उसको बुके बना दिया. There has to be a style, na? Then only people like it.
So मैं आपसे इसी से I have a question to ask is that क्या being a professional, first of all, let us introduce the name of your. Can you please tell the audience आपने क्या नाम रखा है अपने?
No, so before that, I will have to tell you a little bit briefly that what led me to do this.
Yes,
so
please
because
do.
of my gifting, I would always see. I didn't think ever that I would do a business, but I would do all the gifting with flowers. Buy good vases, make good arrangements, and gift people. It was understood. कहीं भी जा रही हूँ, I'm taking flowers for them. But then one person came into my life. She's a very good friend of mine, Malti Ilangu, who loved the gifts I used to send her for wedding anniversary and birthday. So she told me one day, I go to the best florist in Bombay, but I never get this sort of arrangement. Who do you go to? So I told her, I make them myself. She said, I can't believe it. All what you've been sending me is all your creation. I said, definitely, I'm fond of doing this thing. So then she told me, why are you wasting your talent? I said, no, I can't think of business. It's not, I'm a housewife. I'm, mother of 2 children, and I want to just do, I'm a housewife. That's all. She said, no. So she encouraged me. She said, you do all my gifting for all my clients, which she sends throughout the year. So Max Life Company.
Yes.
So I joined Max Life Company. Good. Like, so I became a part of her gifting partner.
Right.
So for 2 years I did that, and then she introduced me to BNI, which is the best for entrepreneurs. It gives you the
Definitely.
best. Yeah,
BNI is
yeah.
it's a world
So my
level
second growth or my
organization.
growth is actually BNI. I've
Excellent.
got. So she made me join that, and then ever since that, and once you join a organization, you have to have a proper, company's name and everything. So then I created a small, like a business ka mera wo jo bana, and then Floral Bliss. I had to name that.
Oh,
I
so the
mean, life
name.
changed. My life changed
Okay.
after that
So
because you cannot be just.
now we know that
Yes,
आपके जो
yeah.
your work
BNI
is
is the
known
best
as
platform for entrepreneurs.
Floral Bliss. So you are
Floral
registered
Bliss.
as Floral
As
Bliss,
Floral Bliss
and
and
you are a part of BNI. So
BNI.
she's also recommending that you should actually,
Definitely,
if you
it's
want to
and
grow.
BNI is an international company. So, I mean, anybody from anywhere can join.
Okay.
And trust me, if I have grown today, it's thankful to my friend who made me join and BNI.
So with that, Madhulika ji, coming to Floral Bliss, I'm sure you will agree if I tell you that ये जो आप करते हो, creating magic with flowers, it is definitely a creative field. Am I right?
Yeah, definitely. It
You
is.
you believe in that?
Yeah, it
So my
is.
next question would be, because देखिए ये मेरा forte नहीं है, तो as a layman I'm trying to ask you कि क्या ऐसा ही है कि आपको बहुत क्रिएटिव होना पड़ेगा तो ही आप इस प्रोफेशन को टू वर्क विथ फ्लावर्स टू क्रिएट सम स्टोरी आउट ऑफ फ्लावर्स आप कर सकते हो, या इट इज अ प्लेस जहां नॉट वेरी क्रिएटिव पीपल कैन ऑल्सो एक्सप्लोर? दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज कमिंग टू माई माइंड.
So, to some extent, I think you're right when you say that creativity is required, because I wouldn't have known, but there are many friends who say that you are doing this only because you have loved your hobby and your, passion for flowers or for doing this work, which I also didn't know before that I can do. But if we want to start, I do take workshops and all, but many of them have started. Many of them come back to me and say कि actually मेरा इतना interest नहीं आता है, so always keep guiding us. I will guide you, but
Correct.
अंदर से एक होना चाहिए ना आपको करने का भी.
Okay.
It's like something which अंदर पहले थोड़ी creativity या hobby या liking किसी चीज के लिए भी होनी चाहिए, तभी आप उसको आगे बढ़ा सकते हो ना.
सो इट इज जो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है दैट ऑफ कोर्स क्रिएटिविटी की जरूरत है, जो कि मेरे ख्याल से क्रिएटिविटी तो हमें किसी भी फील्ड में चाहिए होती है.
वो तो
इवन अ
चाहिए होती
डॉक्टर, आई
या
वुड से, जब वो सर्जरी कर रहे होते हैं, इफ दे आर वेरी वेरी इनोवेटिव एंड क्रिएटिव इन देयर माइंड, वो अपना ही एक तरीका निकाल लेते हैं. लाइक आई एम एन एनर्जी डॉक्टर, आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल प्राणिक हीलर, सो वी हैव आवर ओन वेज एट टाइम्स, सो इट्स वेरी कस्टमाइज्ड कि भाई यहाँ से यहाँ ये चेंज करना है.
right.
अगर ये पर्सन है और ये पर्सन है, दोनों के लिए सेम प्रोटोकॉल नहीं होगा. So as a doctor I'm saying, so we also try to innovate and intertwine,
बिल्कुल,
experience
right.
creativity into things like science also.
Science, yeah.
तो यहाँ पे भी I think आप जो बोल रहे हो, ये कोई भी सीख सकता है. सीखने
Definitely
की तो
सीख
कोई
सकता
उम्र
है,
नहीं है, कोई
बिल्कुल
एज नहीं है,
नहीं.
कोई इंटरेस्ट लेवल नहीं है. अगर
बिल्कुल
थोड़ा
नहीं.
भी इंटरेस्ट है तो सीख सकते हैं.
Definitely.
और अगर वो प्रोफेशनली इसको ना भी करना चाहें,
Yeah.
तो एटलीस्ट वो अपने अपने लिए कुछ
Yes,
क्रिएट कर
yes.
सकते हैं, अपने फैमिली के लिए कुछ क्रिएट कर सकते
Yes,
हैं,
yes.
अपने घर के लिए कुछ क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Am I right?
बिल्कुल. I have many friends or some they hear I see my workshops के photos वगैरह, so they call me up and say that listen, I don't want to take it as a business or something,
Right.
but I feel so nice seeing you doing these flowers. Even I want to do that to keep myself occupied, to do little gifting.
Correct.
Or decorate my house with it. So definitely, and they're doing very well.
Okay, so
ऐसा नहीं
do
है.
you take workshops? आप
I
क्या
do
workshops लेते हैं?
I have done quite a few workshops.
Okay.
I was very lucky that I get it was always organized by somebody.
Okay.
BNI or even non-BNI. So I have done mine. The first one I did for LinkedIn, which was like
that's a big platform.
My daughter said, "Oh my God, Mom, wherever you reached." But somebody introduced me, and there were at least 35 35 candidates there, men and boys and girls.
Right.
And each one was taking interest in it. They were so happy.
Okay.
I showed them, then I make them do it. And many of them keep thanking me that, my God, today you've taught us something, and they are doing now for gifting,
Okay.
they are doing. You feel very nice now when you get some feedback and all.
Right.
So I'm very happy that I get that feedback and all that. No, and with that word of mouth, I'm doing many more.
So coming to, I'll pick it up from there only. आपने अभी word use किया happy. So again, being a wellness coach, I feel happiness is something जो end result हमारे life का, हमारे existence का ये होना चाहिए that we should be happy in life. Do you agree to that?
Absolutely.
I mean, अगर हम कुछ भी करें, चाहे वो profession है, चाहे वो personal life है, relationships हैं, हम खुद के बारे में भी अगर सोचें, तो जब हम हैप्पी वर्ड सोचते ही हमें हैप्पीनेस फील होती है. तो आप ये एक्सपीरियंस करते हो कि पीपल व्हेन दे आर वर्किंग विद फ्लावर्स, तो डू यू रियली थिंक दैट इट आल्सो हेल्प्स इन मेंटल हेल्थ, पॉजिटिविटी? सो क्या आप इस पे थोड़ा लाइट डाल सकते हैं कि आपके पास ऐसा कोई स्टूडेंट कभी आया हो जो आपके साथ सेशन करने के बाद, आफ्टर वर्किंग विद फ्लावर्स एंड क्रिएटिंग समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, उसने आपके साथ शेयर, उन्होंने आपके साथ शेयर किया हो दैट दिस इज गिविंग देम मेंटल पीस?
Definitely, I have.
आपके साथ ऐसे कभी हुआ है एक्सपीरियंस?
I'm a senior citizen, and my friends and everybody say that we were just leading life, ऐसे ही कि चलो मिल लिया, खा लिया, पी लिया. But Madhu, when we talk to you, what you were always, you have become very different now. And talking to you only, we feel कि you're so lucky that you're doing something which is giving you happiness. And when we see you and you talk about it, we also feel so nice that wish we had also followed some hobby or something, some passion. And when I'm working at home, when I get the orders and I'm working at home, my husband always says that the look on your face that time makes me feel that good, you're doing something like this. My children also say that you always look very happy when you're doing work, and it keeps you. It's so nice.
Have you ever had any client या any student coming up to you and saying कि मैम हमें ये करके ना मुझे एक अलग ही लेवल की हैप्पीनेस फील हुई है? ऐसे कोई कभी स्टूडेंट मिला आपको?
If I have 12 students at workshop, at least 2-3 they keep sending me the pictures. मैंने ऐसे किया, I've even guided them their first order में कि no, through this video calling, do this, do that. And then now when the third or the fourth one they're doing and they're sending me the pictures, I feel so nice.
Has it contributed to their mental well-being also, their inner feeling of happiness?
See, my age, all of us,
it's definitely helped you.
Helped me, so it helps.
It's helped your students
then
also.
They tell others.
A happy teacher will lead to happy students.
Yes.
Am I right?
Bilkul.
A happy teacher is going to give you right.
Yeah.
So if you're happy, I'm sure you're giving that vibe to your students also.
Absolutely.
Right?
It's very. Anything you do out of love, anything that you're doing from within, brings happiness to you. And when you're talking to others, see, I'm only talking to you nice because everything is, I feel nice.
Correct.
I feel nice. You can make out, I'm feeling so good talking about it.
Yes.
So you will also feel nice. Na, कि अरे ऐसा कुछ काम
very
कर रही
nice,
है
very
जो
nice.
Everybody
so,
feels like that.
One thing again that's coming to my mind is that, see, generally कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो लोग बोलते हैं, अरे यार, this is meant for girls, this is meant for boys. So working, like being, into the kind of work that you have just described, तो क्या ये, is it gender biased या ये men, women, girls, boys, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है? आपने क्या देखा है? What is your experience on that?
See, when I was doing this workshop in LinkedIn, there were guys there. Some of them were so happy. Oh, today I've done this. It's going to be my grandmother's birthday is coming. I'm going to make this for her. She'll be so happy. Some of them, the girls were okay, fine, they're learning something. But the guys are feeling more happy that now they can do something for the mother or for a grandmother, especially.
Or girlfriends.
Girlfriend, they were not mentioning.
but that comes actually. That's auto mode.
But this time, like when I've come to Calcutta, there's a very nice shop, flower shop, a boutique opened. And it's run by a guy. And when I told him that I wanted to make something for my brother's birthday, I was so happy. He was so happy. I was so happy that we are talking about something which is
common interest.
My God, and then I was telling him, no, I want it this way. So he said, I'm also learning something from you.
Okay.
ये बॉम्बे का तरीका है, ऐसे बॉम्बे का नहीं है, ये अपना each one.
हाँ,
I
right.
see it this way nice, you see it this way nice.
Correct.
So he says, no, next time even I'm going to do like this.
Okay.
It looks so nice. Though his work was so good, he has a beautiful shop.
Okay.
And,
So
very
how
nice.
many years you've been in this profession?
Actually,
And what exactly आप क्या बोलते हो इस profession को? You call it, what is it called actually?
So I'm, some people say floral artist.
Floral
Otherwise,
artist.
now I've received my awards as a floral designer.
Designer. Okay.
Because see, even
So I'll call it floral designing only.
Yeah.
So coming to floral designing, you mean that it's not gender biased? It is not nothing to do with age.
Nothing to do with
and not that if you're very creative only then you can pursue.
In all the professions we have men and women
Okay.
doing well.
All right.
Is it in
All
most
right.
of the professions?
And it also gives you a sense of happiness. So coming to something which is again now this, I want that the viewers should always have a story to get inspired. So आपको लगता है कि एक विजन, एक मिशन लाइफ में जरूरी है टू एमलेसली या बिना कुछ किए भी जीवन काटा जा सकता है या खुशी से काटा जा सकता है? तो आपका क्या टेक है इस पे?
Definitely, there is a change in me and in my views also. What I was before joining BNI or before getting the floral artist ka naam, what I was different. But I feel everybody should have something. See, as a senior citizen, it's not that हम सुबह walk पे चले गए, शाम को walk पे चले गए, news सुन लिया और बस हो गया.
जनरल एक जेनरिक यही
पहले तो
होता
ऐसे
है.
ही सोचते थे ना कि
अभी भी सोचते हैं.
But no. You must, if you have something in mind, if you have a hobby, age is nothing. You start now and definitely you will succeed. I want everybody to think that कोई ऐसी एज नहीं है कि अब हमें घर बैठना है और न्यूज सुनना है, पॉलिटिक्स में जाना है, व्हाटएवर. अगर आपके अंदर में कोई ख्वाहिश रह गई है कि आप शायद मैं कर सकती, तो वो कर लो. कोई एज नहीं है, करना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई सोचे कि अरे आई एम 65 नाउ तो मुझे नहीं करना. नो, यू कैन स्टार्ट एट एनी एज. बिल्कुल. सो इट इज लाइक हिंदी में देयर इज अ सेइंग ना, जब जागो तभी सवेरा. तो ऐसा सवेरा हुआ है कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि सबकी ऐसी. That's why when I start talking about my 30 seconds in BNI, we have to say, I always say a beautiful morning to everybody. Wonderful. Because I feel so with that, my work is so beautiful. I mean, people have praised me a lot. They have given me so much support. Right. I want that everybody should feel beautiful and happy. Yes. At some time, and that is. So with that, I'll actually want to tell my viewers that now I think I can tell you the reason behind giving this name Starlight. वो यही था. आप हमने जब शुरू किया और अभी जो हम इतनी देर में जो हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई है, you've already started spreading your light. So you must be, आपकी बातें सुन के many people are going to get inspired. No, they should and do they will something. Be inspired to do something in their life, not thinking कि हमारी age क्या है. Yes. So you are a star and you are spreading your light. So everybody who comes on this show, I tell them that please remember that जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको 50,000 चीजें अपने जीवन में अचीव करनी है. नहीं. आपने जो भी अचीव किया है ना, that is a star in itself. Each of us are अपने यूनिवर्स का स्टार, and we have a light which we can spread. Do you believe in this also? Yeah, definitely. And many people will be inspired by this podcast, I'm sure. Of course, because everybody. I am inspired. I'm not a very creative person in a way that हाथ के काम में drawing तो मेरी pathetic है. I cannot draw at all. But आपकी बातें सुन के मुझे लग रहा है, I also want to learn the basic art. See, nobody in my family first was like. Now I see my daughter getting flowers and putting and saying, "Mama, my daughter-in-law is also very fond of it." Best part is my grandchild is 4 years old. Can you believe it? She also does small things with me. I have taken a recording also. Oh, that's lovely. She's already showing so much. Yes. See, so nice. And this I came to know from a teacher. Oh, that's lovely. That talks about her daddy doing flowers. Wonderful. So you see the happiness that you get. Yes. Right? And your smile is telling everything. Actually, your smile is speaking कि कितनी खुशी है. वो शायद करेगी. Definitely, it runs in the genes. Yeah. I would say it runs in. So you've already created that happy space in your home, I can say. Yeah. So it's each one should follow their dreams. If they had something in mind, we should dream. Yeah, you should. Idea is, if you had something in mind you couldn't do because of whatever, try now. Yes. वही जब जागो, don't repent later. कि हमने यार ये कुछ भी नहीं किया लाइफ में, करो कुछ तो करो जरूर, सबके अंदर
बिल्कुल एक
God has
तमन्ना तो
given us
एक
all.
स्पार्क सबके
Yeah,
अंदर होता
सबके
है,
अंदर होता
बस
है.
उसे हमें एक
Yes,
चिंगारी
you
चाहिए.
can become a good cook, you can like be a
Absolutely.
florist, you can be whatever. नहीं तो there is so much nowadays. There is
कुछ
so much
विजन
to do.
लेके चलना जरूरी है
A
लाइफ में.
yoga teacher, if you have done yoga, this thing, you
Correct.
can be a yoga teacher.
So,
you can-
like, let me ask you something. Now, this is coming a little bit towards, wellness. I have noticed that आपने कुछ पहना हुआ है अपने, so we can show the viewers. She's wearing certain, it's beaded stuff.
Yes.
And शायद उनकी वहाँ एक picture भी है, a
तो
bracelet.
ये
So,
गुरु
are you into any form of spirituality as well?
Yes, I'm also like now joined with Guruji, and I go for satsangs, and he has really helped me. You know, you get some messages, and when I tell everybody I get messages, they say, "ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है?" But once you join, once you start believing in something, when you are believing in Guruji, you're getting these messages. So
True.
it happens, only till you don't take anything seriously, don't believe from your heart, you will not get any messages. So I get Guruji's messages. So there's another friend of mine in BNI who made me wear this.
Okay. So
Yeah,
that's a
she
cat's
said,
eye, if I'm not wrong.
yeah,
That's a
I
jade
know.
and a cat's
She
eye.
told me that आप ये पहनोगे तो
Yeah.
मतलब
Jade and a
yeah.
cat's eye to keep you
So
away
that's
from evil
nice.
eye.
Yeah. Otherwise, also from childhood, have been
So
that
are
I
you
believing in God and praying and
okay?
doing
So let me
attending
come to this.
satsang,
That
going
have you
satsangs.
been also have you ever tried any form of meditation?
See, let me tell you, I've joined. I'm a member of another group which is called Spirit 360 Wellness Group.
Oh, wonderful!
So we
Excellent.
have a lot of other friends who.
So have you tried any form of simple form of
Yes,
meditation
I've
also?
ये आजकल ये अपना
Sound
हाँ
sound
sound
therapy,
healing किया
sound
हुआ है,
therapy.
yeah, sound
Okay.
therapy.
तो आपने
See, they are
experience किया
members,
है?
ना? Of course, of course.
Have you
of
ever heard
course.
about pranic healing earlier?
Pranic healing also we have members who do, so we all help each other.
So
अभी
आपने
मेरे
सुना है? So
workshops
what do you
वो
know?
लेते
What do you know
हैं.
about pranic healing in a nutshell? कुछ भी पता है आपको इसके बारे में?
See, either some people are like very they. I'm not saying badly needed, but they want to go for the. See, we are blessed with everything, but sometimes we also want to. Like my daughter also
Correct.
goes. So you feel कि आप हर किसी को एक बार जरूर जाना चाहिए. आपको अच्छा ही होता है. You feel nice
बिल्कुल
in your
बिल्कुल.
mind, your body, your
It's like
thinking.
detoxifying
Detoxifying,
your
yeah.
body of
So I'm very happy that I'm into a group like this wellness group
very good.
where I get an opportunity for all these things over there.
So you're experiencing
Yes,
healing
yes,
at all
healing,
levels.
Yes, yes.
So I'm very
And it's
happy.
healing through even like
So you feel that you being mentally healthy is helping you to be more successful in your business?
Definitely.
So can you throw some light on that?
If your
Is it
mind
better? Is
it
it better
is
to be
better.
attached to some form of mental wellness? Because तब आपके business को भी boost मिलता है और किस तरीके से? क्या clarity of mind आता है?
Definitely
Confidence आता है?
clarity of mind
आपने
आता
क्या
है.
देखा? क्या difference आप में है?
See, वो आपको बताते हैं कि आपके अंदर में एक्चुअली क्या है. Sometimes we don't know ourselves. I didn't know that I was capable of all this. When we meet them, they talk to them, they said, आपको पता कि ये हो सकता है. And then when they encourage us so much, that नहीं, ये आपने ये जो किया इसलिए किया, it's very nice, it's going to help you. अब जैसे जिसने मुझे ये पहनाया या हम साउंड हीलिंग कर रहे थे, तो सारा हेल्प करता है. आई कम बैक होम एंड टेल माय हस्बैंड आल्सो कि आपको भी जरूर चलना चाहिए.
Very nice.
बिकॉज हम सोचते हैं कि ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो अंदर से खुश नहीं है, जो बीमार है.
बिल्कुल
ऐसा
भी
नहीं
नहीं
है, ऐसा नहीं है. Everybody should experience this.
See,
everybody
one
should
thing is that
experience
I
this.
will want to add over here is that thank you for sharing your view on this. It's just like अगर आपको एक healthy body चाहिए तो आपका एक healthy mind होना बहुत जरूरी है, because your body doesn't work without your mind, and your mind can never function properly if you don't
If
have
you're
a
not,
healthy body.
yeah.
So both are
Both are intertwined.
So
your
a healthy
growth comes
mind,
only when your mind is
correct.
Yeah, it's
So with a healthy
helps in
mind, you
growth.
can have more creativity coming in. You can have more positivity coming in. You can have healthy emotions coming in,
बिल्कुल,
and you can have good self-esteem coming in.
absolutely
More of
everything,
confidence
yeah.
coming in. So
overall you are changed. You are like
So
Like I have gained confidence with
Right.
attending all this, you know, that no, you
Right.
can do it. You'll do it much better. और भी अपने आप को थोड़ा change करो, mind change करो अपना. Think of this thing, go on this direction.
Now in pranic
They have
healing, I'll
lovely
tell
programs.
you, we work with colors. It's
Huh,
the
oh.
advanced pranic healing, which works with colors, and colors are related. Flowers are related to colors.
Absolutely.
So हमारे second level of pranic healing में we work with, it's a color therapy, it's a distance therapy. So आपको लगता है ऐसा कि जो colors जो होते हैं flowers के, उसकी जो खुशबू है, fragrance जो है, क्या वो एक मूड को एनहांस कर सकती है? क्या आपका मूड या आपके मेंटल हेल्थ को इम्पैक्ट कर सकती है?
बिल्कुल सही है. It has to. You see the colors and immediately giver and the receiver gets a glow. You know, हम किसी को देते हैं, बुके भेजते हैं, कुछ है, तो I always tell them, you're giving them love, you're giving them the happiness, a smile on the face. ऐसे कोई हो ही नहीं सकता जो ऐसे हाथ में पकड़ ले और फ्लावर को.
You're right.
It's immediately you brighten up.
You brighten
oh
up.
wow, so nice.
Good.
कोई कहेगा खुशबू अच्छी है, कोई कहेगा wow, so well, look at the colors, look at this. So it gives them that, you know.
Right. So it gives
very,
you,
yeah,
so emotional.
I've seen that from
it
my
helps.
granddaughter who's just 3.5, 4 years. She gives different this. Oh wow, so nice, so pretty on the children.
Wow, that's
so that
so
shows
sweet.
now that it gives happiness and
Right. So Madhulika ji, it was amazing to have you on our podcast, Starlight with Payal Verma, co-powered by Amber, a charitable organization. So before we come to the end, all good things have to come to an end. But before we come to an end, thank you for being the light of our show today. Thank you for being the star for many people who will be watching this podcast. And one small inspirational message with which we'll end today's podcast. You are all for the viewers, so you can.
See, first of all, though, I want to thank you. You're telling me thank you, but this time which we have spent here, you don't know. You आप बोलते हो ना ये mindfulness and all. आपसे बात करके जो मेरे अंदर extra खुशी or whatever, like my I just can't express myself, but what I have gone through now talking to you, and it can continue for so long, but I know we can't do that.
Right.
But you're giving me so much of joy.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Talking
I'm
about,
so happy about
my profession or my passion, you have given me so much of joy to talk about it.
Yes.
And so you can imagine कि जो करेगा उसको भी कितनी खुशी होती है ना.
बिल्कुल.
It's like giver's gain, I think.
Absolutely.
I'm giving you happiness, you're giving me happiness.
Right. So on that note of happiness, let's come to the end of this episode. Thank you once again for being on our podcast.
So much.
And may you keep growing. May you spread colors. May you spread happiness and wellness to everybody around you. So with that, we come to the end of our special episode with Madhulika Arora. And if you want to connect with her, all the details you'll find in the caption. And you can also directly message us, send us your DMs if you have any questions, or you can connect with her on her page directly. You can DM her. And please, from our side, though this is very small, but this is all made by hand. This bouquet is for you.
Thank you
with
so
all the
much.
love and all the colors. We present this to you. It is like a token that is coming from us to you from Starlight. And may you keep remembering us and keep spreading the light.
Definitely. And this is so pretty. This is really so pretty.
So coming that from a pro, it gives us a lot of confidence.
Look at the color, healing colors.
Healing colors, yes. We have white, we have lavender.
Yes, lavender.
So they're all colors of healing. So thank you so much. And thank you once again. Thank you viewers. Thank you. हमारे साथ ऐसे बने रहिए, हमें प्यार देते रहिए. Follow us, subscribe our channel on YouTube, and please share the podcasts, the lives that we are doing, so that we can keep spreading this light to every star. And anybody who wants to be a part of this platform, please connect with us through DMs. We will cast you on our podcast for sure.